back to showing. We're here on Sanibel late May, and these are all shells, so I'm just going to look through these piles. It's mostly small, so I am on the hunt for spirals and kitten paws. Spiral. Are you making bird calls over there?
No. It's all natural size. He's carrying something. He's got a
Huh. Maybe he's making a bird's nest.
feather or a beak. I don't know what that gun is.
You think he had a hot dog bun? You know you're hungry when you start talking about food. There's another spiral. Look at that. That's a pretty. And there's a spiral right there. There's a bunch of spirals mixed in. I like it. Oh, look at that. Sea glass. You don't find that much on Sanibel. Very nice. I found a piece of brown last night. So it's 2 pieces this trip. That's a rarity indeed. I'm not for sure what's focusing or not. It's hard to tell in the bright sun. But every night I'm going to do a video cleaning all the shells I picked up today. Since the west wing end has a nice shell cleaning station. That way you can see what I kept, what isn't getting into focus. Did you hear me talking, Robert? I've got 2 sea glass so far now. It has to be the turtle people because that's the only vehicles allowed. Alright, so it's turtle nesting season. I'm assuming that's who this is. It's turtle nesting season, so every morning the turtle nesting club, I don't know, whoever's in charge of keeping track of that, they roam the beach every morning to look for any turtle tracks and then to mark off any turtle nests so it will not be disturbed by vacationers. The just annoying thing is they drive through all the shell. The annoying thing is they drive through all the shell piles. It's a little annoying, but I understand they have to protect the turtles. So yes, hi, you turtle roosters. I was right. Okay, it's called. They are looking for nests. So, oh, and that nice smell of exhaust. Oof. Tomorrow morning we're gonna get up early, and sometimes you can see them working. They're pretty nice. Like if you ask them questions and stuff, they'll answer. And so they'll put a gate over. They'll put like a, I don't know, what do you call it? Chicken wire mesh gate over where the eggs are. So people can't dig them up, or animals, because you know there are alligators on Sanibel, not tons, but some, and birds. So the birds can't dig up the eggs, and what else? There's foxes and all kinds of animal life here. So they try to protect them as best as they can. So yeah, turtle nesting season is what, April through September. I've seen the turtle tracks, but I've never actually seen one of the big sea turtles. So that would be cool if on one of our morning walks we came across one. That's my goal. I would like to see a sea turtle on the beach. Sanibel Island also has gopher turtles that you see a lot when you're biking and walking. Oh, lots of spirals right here. I'm picking up a bunch of spirals. Spiral. Augers. I think they're also called augers. Several different names for these shells. So yeah, there's no, people are not allowed to drive four-wheelers on the beach. So if you see any four-wheelers, it's the sea turtle people. I just mention that because some beaches in Florida allow vehicles to drive on them. Sanibel is not one of them. I swear, oh there it is. I was like, I just saw a spiral. Alright, they stopped. They either found something or they're talking to people. Or they're checking, there's a pre-existing nest, they could be checking that nest. Not for sure. We usually get up early and walk the beach. We did not this morning. Because yesterday was our travel day. And we had some business to take care of. And it was an early flight. And we were just tired. So we did not walk the beach at night. And we did not get up early. But plenty of time to do that tomorrow. And we're definitely walking the beach tonight. We bought specific flashlights that are turtle safe. During turtle season, they don't like you walking the beach with normal flashlights because it confuses the turtles. It makes them think it's the moon and they go the wrong way. So you have to use flashlights that have a red lens. So we bought a couple. Shell lines. You could spend days and days looking through the shell lines. Alright, that's enough for now. It's getting lunchtime. We're going to go get some cake at the Bubble Room. Thanks for watching. please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you like selling videos, I will definitely be posting a lot more.